Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room Recap for Wednesday, September the 24th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room, and if you have any questions for me, this is the email address you can use. And if you want to get into the room, just copy and paste this link. You'll be sent an email. You'll create a password. It is free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to come into the room and post and share ideas. I open the room at about 9 o'clock Eastern Time. That's when I start to share my screen, and I get live on the mic at 9:05, and I go to about 3:30 p.m. every day. Take out a subscription. There is a link you can use. All right, well, kind of an exciting day in the room for this one. Not so much. I had a few trades today. Nothing fantastic. I'll go over some of them a little bit later, but take a look at this one. If you have been following the story on this one for the last little while, an amazing thing. I mean, look at this. This was an IPO maybe about three months before that. Did really nothing for the longest period of time. And all of a sudden on, what's that date? August the 21st, had a little pop. And then another one. And then another one. Now look at the rise. All the way up to $75 today. So just a fantastic, and it's something to do with artificial intelligence. However, if you're familiar with Citron, they are a publication that basically specializes in short selling. There are several of them out there: Street Sweeper, Citron. Anyway, I guess they put out an email basically slamming this company. Now, I don't even think I got the email today, and I think they do stagger them, but usually it doesn't work this dramatically. I've seen many times where they put out an email, maybe there's a little bit of a drop, and then nothing really happens after that. Anyway, this one just got absolutely annihilated. It was sitting around 75 and it got all the way down to 47. It's tried to bounce a little bit, but I mean, the jury's out right now about what this will do going forward. But nonetheless, that was rather exciting. I could not short this one. My broker, Interactive Brokers, had no shorts. I don't think many people had shorts, but it was definitely fascinating to watch the action on that. So what did I do? Had a couple of little holly trades at the beginning that didn't work out. Really no point in going over them. TBI was one. I say no point, but I'll go over a couple. 2210. Got in at 2210, had a little bit of a pop, and then it dropped, and I got out for a 10-cent loss. And now this one worked out okay. This was not a holly trade. It worked out okay. I was hoping for a little bit more. Saw this in the pre-market. Basically, this stock got added to the S&P 600. Excuse me, 600. And I finally decided to get into this one. Sorry, my headphone is starting to slide off here. Got into this one at 21.59. So pretty late actually, but it was driving me nuts that I wasn't in it. And the market was kind of weak, and yet it was moving up. So I thought, okay, take some and see what happens. So anyway, almost got through the 22 break. I did sell some at 21.88, and then on the way down at 21.79. So actually looking for a little bit of a bounce here. Had an alert set, you see right there. It didn't trigger. That's why it's still blue. If it triggered, it would be green. And was thinking maybe I would take it, but it just didn't do it. The interesting one for me and for a lot of people, because I think they participated in the bounce of this one. So here is, I don't know what the news was. I still can't find out what the news was, but obviously there was something that happened on this one. SYRS. It was a little bit difficult. I got into this one, watched this pop up here, and then finally took this trade. I mean, it looks like it's way late, which obviously it is to a certain extent, but you never know what's going to happen on these. So I never hop in on a short that's looking like that. I usually try to let it settle down a little bit, but finally got into this trade at 11.70 on a short. It wasn't easy because it was very spready. I had to use the sort of the midpoint auction for IB. What I mean by that is that you can stick a sort of automatically can fill you midpoint the bid and the ask. Anyway, I was able to get some right there, and then look what I did. It went all the way down to, and this is very, very quick. Remember, these are 15-minute candles, so this happened very quickly. In fact, I might have even been on that candle that I took this as a short, and I sold some, covered some at 11.56, and then down here at 11.32 and 11.34. Then it bounced, and I know a lot of people were in this one on this bounce, and you know, you can play it both ways, obviously. And let's see what else. I made a little bit of money on this one, Sedge. Sort of called it the way I was going to play it. I wanted to take this, took this over 29. I said I would sell if it got into the 30s. I did sell at 29.30. Sold on this candle, and look what it did. It was an excellent sell actually, and got out at 29.10 on that candle also, which is where I bought it. So it's kind of just a quick trade. Now this one I'm still in. ADXS. This is from the Tommy scan, named after one of our posters in the room, Tom, and I took this one right here at 441. Right here, I did sell some at 455. Pulled back. Now I'm still holding on. Has a decent daily. Not like it's not fantastic. Has to get through right here, I think. 462. There's the next high looking left, other than the high of the day. Then after that, it has a maybe a shot to get up to the 5. So that's why I took it based on that action right there. And I'm still in this one. This is from Holly. I'm still in it. It's really done not too much. The alert was at 116. There you can see the alert right there on that candle. And by the way, when I say on that candle, this is a 15-minute time chart. If you had a 1 minute candles up, it would you'd see the arrow at the 1 minute. Anyway, there was the alert at 116, and I took the trade at 120. The reason I waited to 120, so I took it right there, is that I don't really love this daily. It's sort of choppy, so I wanted to wait for it to clear this little area there. And so I decided, so I took the trade at 120. Still very choppy. I mean, you can see right there, it's not very clean. And what I mean by that, I mean, if this were just a series of candles down without any sort of movement up or down, then it would be a lot better. Then you could say, well, maybe it could get up to 150. And so from 120 to 150 would be a great percentage move. But anyway, I'm still in this one. No absolute reason for me to sell it. So see what happens for the balance of the day. And that is about it. Yeah, I think that's about it. I want to get back into the trading room. So I'll close this down. Just get my screen capture up here. So again, if you want to ask me any questions, just fire an email to this particular email address. Copy and paste this link into your browser, and we'll ask you for your email. We'll send you a form to fill out where you create a password. Just do it one time, then you can come into our trading room. It is free. Don't ask for a credit card. 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas. And again, I'll open the room. This is the link that you can use to take out a subscription. And to give you an idea, our premium service, which is everything we have to offer, is $4.40 a day with the promo code that's there. And about $2.08 a day for our standard with the promo code that is there. That's on an annual basis, and we do offer monthly plans both for the standard and the premium, and the promo code will be good for the first month. All right, so hope everybody has a great evening, and I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern. That's when I'll start to share my screen and get live on the mic at 9:05. Have a great night, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.